Hey YouTube, I'm changing out door locks, but there's a problem. What happens when you're taking out one of these and putting in one of these? Our problem is the newer locks from later models don't fit in the hole, no matter how hard you push. So it turns out the old locks are just under 20 millimeters, whoops, like that. And the new locks are about just under 22, if you can see that. So, here we go. As you can see, the lock's got some tabs in it for locating the direction. So we're gonna have to recreate that stuff. But first, we're gonna make it bigger. You can see I've marked the drill after I measured it. Next up, I gotta file some slots for these locating thingies here. Let's go do that. Looks like a lock will fit that thing now. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Looks good.